You will be okay. You are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused, but be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. You'll be okay. Just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, you'll be the strongest you ever feel. You are remarkable. You are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more. You'll be okay. Forget about them who not believe in you because you got no time to play. You all are fighters, survivors who resist to quit. You're loved. You're a goddess. You deserve lifetime happiness. Thank you very much.